The Brother MFC L2700DW printer, and what it's doing is when I'm trying to make a copy with the automatic document feeder, it makes this line right here on the left side of the page. Here's my original. This is a copy, and when I'm trying to figure out what it's doing, usually the problem is going to be with this scanner here, and I think you spotted the problem already. This is going to be the glass piece that scans our originals as it feeds through there. Actually, we got another problem here. There's a staple in here that may have caused these people to return this printer to the store, and it got into my hands. So over here you see a whiteout. Probably somebody fed an original print that was that had whiteout that wasn't dry on it, or maybe it just at one point transferred over here. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna clean this up, and we're gonna get rid of the line. Best thing to clean the whiteout spots or marker spots like Sharpie or whatever is to use the alcohol swab, and I use it in almost all my videos to clean that kind of things. It's an alcohol swab that I get at Walmart. So we're just gonna rub on this and clean the whole strip as you know, so it's clean for our future use. And as we rub on it, it's going to take a while, but it's going to get to it. Apply a little bit of pressure to it so it kind of starts dissolving the whiteout. Sometimes use a fingernail like I am right now, and try to get all these pieces out without shoving them into the cracks. I'm gonna use some paper towel here to help me with it. It's a bit of an issue, but we'll get it out eventually. So this is a big blotch. Sometimes it's going to be just a bit, like we see right here, for example, that's left over, and it's going to cause a small line, and it's just going to mess up the copy, and it's going to cause frustration. But usually just cleaning this up, getting rid of it, and getting anything off the plastic so it doesn't transfer later to the glass is something that we need to just get rid of all the spots here. Okay, so we have cleaned the glass. Since we're at it already, we cleaned this main glass here, and also the strip where the fed paper goes through. I'm going to make a copy right now and see if that line went away. So just feeding the paper through and seeing if it's going to make a copy that we're supposed to have without any lines on there. So here's the copy that came out of the automatic document feeder, and that's the original. We don't see any line anymore like we did on this copy here. So if you do get lines anywhere in the middle or on the side when you're using the automatic document feeder up top, then most likely it has something on that glass bar. Just go ahead and clean it, and good luck with your printing. Please like this video and subscribe if we were able to help you.